International steel structures, building today to sustain tomorrow. Natural disasters leave hundreds of thousands of people in ruin around the world each year. In a tragic instant, their homes, communities, and lives are ravaged and left in destruction from hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and flooding. Those fortunate enough to escape the disasters unharmed are faced with the daunting task of finding shelter and safety. Even when communities receive support from disaster relief, the rebuilding is a long and painful process. International Steel Structures is bringing innovative solutions to the world. These solutions will provide permanent structures that are more durable and attainable than today's traditional housing. The secret lies in the specialized construction and implementation of tubular structures that provide a substantial level of stability and affordability. Total on-site construction. Mobile self-contained factories manufacture these tubular structures on-site. Coils of colored galvanized steel are processed and rolled into cylindrical modules that are fitted with interiors constructed to the customer's request. The design and shape of these tubular structures exhibit extraordinary strength and act as support beams in larger constructions. Unlimited flexibility. These tubular structures can be arranged to configure a variety of structures. In addition to entire communities built on location, International Steel Structures can meet the demand of resort owners, school districts, hospitals, prisons, condominiums, shopping centers, and a variety of unlimited possibilities. Built for climate conditions, these insulated permanent structures are able to withstand a host of environmental hazards. The tubular structures far exceed minimum building codes, and the curvilinear design decreases wind resistance, allowing much greater wind loads. Precast or poured concrete shear walls at each end of the tubes offer stability against earthquake conditions, and the curvature prevents standing water from doing roof damage. The galvanized steel won't rust or rot, is insect resistant, and offers extreme fire protection. Unifying international communities. International Steel Structures is committed to reaching out to international communities and offering a hand of support to nations afflicted by natural and economic disasters. The deployment of these tubular structures will give thousands of people shelter that is far safer and secure than traditional methods. This united effort also opens the door to developing strong foreign relations. Lower cost and time savings. Construction of these tubular structures requires far fewer resources than conventional stick or block methods. The core framework is manufactured on-site in a matter of hours, with the completion of the structure taking only a fraction of the time required by current construction processes. Integrated roofing offers permanent support and a large crawl space under the floor for air conditioning. Cable, and other utilities allows easy access for maintenance and upgrades. Area conservation. The Earth's forests are being devastated at an alarming rate. Many corporations are making efforts to reduce their carbon footprint, but even with those attempts, the forest cannot keep up with the demand. The manufacturing process utilized by International Steel Structures reduces deforestation and CO2 emissions. Additionally, the tubular structures may be constructed out of recycled material, such as junk cars and other discarded steel. Restoration from natural disasters. Areas that fall victim to natural disasters have to endure long and painful rebuilding processes. Aftershocks, heavy rain, and flooding also pose serious dangers. Tents and trailers only offer temporary relief and are susceptible to even minor environmental conditions. International Steel Structures designs are not only a permanent solution, but offer stability and refuge from future catastrophes. Total on-site construction, unlimited flexibility, built for climate conditions, unifying international communities, lower cost and time savings, area conservation, restoration from natural disasters. For the millions of people who are stricken by poverty or natural disasters, International Steel Structures is able to produce suitable housing for anyone, anywhere in the world. International Steel Structures, building today to sustain tomorrow.